Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to upload files on Shopify. Let's get started. So it actually depends on what you want to upload. So for example, if you want to upload an image for your website, there has a different method. If you want to upload a picture for your product, it has a different method. And if you want to import products, it actually has different method. So let's head over and let's try to upload an image on our site. Click on Customize right here. And when you click on the Customize, it will open the actual page for your done page. So in here, for example, let's click on this image banner. Now let's click on Select Image right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here. Click on Add Image in order to upload them. And then from in there, what you can do is you can actually head over and then upload an image that you have right here. So as you can see, it actually looks like that. So what we can do is you can actually head over it. As you can see, it's been uploaded. So we can actually click on an image and then click on done right here in order to change an image of a part of our website. Once you have done that, click on save. Another method that you can do is you can head over to your product. So click on products right here. And in here, I have here a picture of a hat. So click on hat right here. And then from in there, you can see the media. So click on add right here. And in here, for example, you can also add in here a few pictures. So for example, I will just upload this picture right here. This is just an example. As you can see, it will upload itself in here. So once it's been processed, you can actually just save that. And as you can see, it's been like that. So head over and then just try to save this progress once you have done right here. Next thing you need to do is if you want to actually put or import another product, head over and import right here. Then add a file right here in order to actually put in here the products you have uploaded using CSV. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, just comment them down below. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.